Did you leave the door unlocked?
Yeah.
You have the key? What's the key?
I have the key.
Where are we going? Should we eat breakfast first?
Kala ko magpapaddleboard kayo.
Magpapalinis pa po kayo ng... Yes. Magpapalinis pa.
Ah,
Bukas po yun.
bukas ah.
Ay, sige.
Thank you.
Puntahan lang po sa paddleboard again.
Kiddie pool. A giant slide. Giant slide. Come on, sit. Oh. We're at the sands. Hindi natunaw. Blooper.
What? This is the guy Julia.
Yeah.
Ahing.
Yeah.
Fine.
Fine.
Good boy, Bachi. Good boy. Drop lang, one drop lang. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, maybe.
Dad!
Let's go.
Dad.
Let's go, let's go.
So we can get out.
Leave your cell phone. Leave your cell phone. We're gonna slide. All right. Let's go. Woohoo! Yay! Yay! Oh, it's so fast! It's so fast! We're coming! Wow! That's so nice.
Pwede cup na lang, walang topping. Then your cone. Tapos isang cone. You don't like? You don't like? Isang cup and cone.
Nice.
Cheers.
That's ube.
Ah, strawberry pa.
Sa kampo. Yun po yung sabi niyo po eh.
Pink sister or purple sister?
Dive!
It's warm.
Yeah, it's warm.
Nice.
Hey, Bachi, wanna swim? Come swim towards the camera. Come. Oh, wala ka ng tali, ah. Don't run away. Swim, dive, dive, dive. Scariest moment of your life.
Stop videoing. Stop videoing. Whoa, wave pool.
Good boy. Ati. Bachi! Again, do it again. Again ang video underground. Underwater. Did it hurt your back?
7 years old. So
My back.
it's fragile.
Okay.
Grab your sleeve.
No, I won't. I'll put your head under. I'll say a word out loud. And you have to go up and guess it.
Okay.
Because you'll hear it there.
Okay.
So keep guessing.
I'll go down na lang.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes.
That is really amazing. Okay, one more.
Fuck. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wait, sorry.
Bro.
Wait, let her go down by herself.
Okay.
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, go. Spaghetti.
Huh? Bachi.
No. One more. 1, 2, 3, go. Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Okay, my turn.
You say it?
Yeah.
Ano yun?
You have to shout it.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah, you have to shout it.
1, 2, 3.
Pancake house.
Can you say something?
Yeah.
I didn't hear it. Can you shout it?
Louder pa, Ella.
1, 2, 3.
Pancake house.
1, 2, 3.
Pancake house.
Kalasagan?
Again. Pancake house.
Pancake house.
Yeah.
Smile.
Go na. Good boy, buddy.
Bachi with no leash.
Papa, just start it.
Yeah.
I'll get later. I'll come.
Ay, parang alam na ni...
No leash, Bachi.
That's leading the way.
Eh, takbo ka. Tingnan mo kung tatakbo siya.
A little. Let's drink some water, Bachi! Water!
Oh, here's the key. Follow A. Come, Bachi. Oh, it's nice and clean, man.
Uy!
Nice and clean.
Fries!
Having lunch.
Bachi's hungry!
Kimchi sinigang. What's this?
My gambas.
Chicken, fries. I didn't order tacos.
Ako, no?
Ano?
Nachos. We called room service. Set me up walk. Tofu sisig. It's not in the sisig plate. What's this?
I don't know that.
Huh?
Chicken?
Picnic in the room.
Sarap?
Are we having fun?
No.
We're gonna play mahjong again.
Y'all, it's really nice outside.
Yeah.
I'm due to play outside.
So nice outside. They have plants with lights. That's them. That's the balcony. Chicken and tofu.
Gusto mo?
Oh,
Morning. It's our day 3.
we're gonna get breakfast.
Yeah, that's
Bachi pooped thrice.
T-Poops, right?
Thrice.
Pag gusto ko ng sunny side up, pwede.
Ay, ayaw makain ng beef.
Papaluto na lang sa setup. Sure lang po sana setup.
Sauce.
He doesn't want to eat? Eat na, Bachi. Corned beef and rice. That's corned beef and rice, Batch. Nice. Oh, look at the birdie. It's gonna eat the food. They like the rice. Eat some more. Eat some more. Is there a red light? Oh, eat the food. Mmm. What's it? What's it? Bye. Bye bye.
Apollo 25?
Apollo 2025. Apollo 8. Bye bye.
Let's go in.
We're going home.
Cabin 24.
Kuya, marami ata kayong booking today, no? Kasi
Yes, ma'am,
ngayon
fully
nag-start. Bachi, say hi! There.
That's so cool. So hyper. See, why are you so hyper? Here na lang.
Oh
See
my
the
gosh,
nice
what
view
a
pa. oh.
view!
Kulang ka ba? I feel like topic.
That's it.
Daddy,
Twice
that
cooked.
looks really
Twice
good.
cooked fried adobo.
Their burger steak
that
looks
looks
really
good.
nice.
You ordered that, Daddy.
Yan na lang, hindi na lang beef bacon.
You tried that na before, right?
Say hi, kids.
Hi,
Hello!
Antonius!
Hello!
Antonius!
Miraculously got to see you.
Where's Pachi?
I'll probably get the corned beef now.
Achiwa.
That's Achi.
The fries
Achi, mommy's calling you off. I go like that. So you go to mom. The mom would be like,
Huh?
yeah. But then she'd still get mad at Achi.
Wait, I don't get it.
No, like mom never called you. But then I was like, oh, if actually the mom called her, she'll get in trouble.
And I always got in trouble. For what? For going to her? She's a beast.
She's a beast. I call a calm.
There's a gift.
Pancakes.
Thank you.
Wow,
Your
wow.
sourdough pancake.
There's banana.
Rain.
Corned beef with sunny side up egg.
Wait, move forward. 1, 2.
Thank you.
That looks good.
Shucks, I'm not playing rice.
Order ka.
Yeah. You want rice also?
Yeah, guys.
Oh, that's mine. Thank you.
I already got
good.
the optimal
Looks good.
oh, there is photography lighting.
Ah?
Another fresh corned beef po with scrambled egg.
Thank you.
Ito po yung, nauna lang po yung smoked bacon, pero
Okay.
kaming na rin po yung vegetarian sandwich.
Okay, thank you.
Nice. FSL. Francine Sophia Lua.
Me.
That's you.
S for Sophie. E for Ella.
Pay for ass.
B for Bachi.
Focus
Hey.
mo lang siya.
Relax.
Breakfast at Antonia's. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.